Want to know how to use Google Chat for collaborations? Well, no worries. So Google Chat can also be used for collaborations and not just direct messages and much more. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily use it in just under a minute. So let's get right into it. Now first things first, what you need to do is you need to just simply open up your Google Chat website right here. And now once you're onto this interface, you need to create a space for collaboration. So on the left side, you should be seeing new chat right here. Just simply select that and then select create a space. So now once you have created the space, you can just simply type in a space name. And now once you have typed in your space name, as you can see, you can just simply add members by selecting add members right here and then add your contacts accordingly. So I'm just going to add a mail right here. So you can just simply select add, and you can do the same with multiple people, and with collaboration you can also add tasks and add bots as well. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.